So after much more longer time, I'm not making videos. So I'll back with the blockbuster video, or what do you say, your lovable video. So in today's video, I'll be showing a new custom ROM which is known as Project Flexo for this device, which is Redmi Note 10. So if you are the viewer of custom ROM and you like it, then you can watch this video, and you can do one thing also, to smash that subscribe button and like the video. So let's get started with this custom ROM overview and what we are getting this ROM. So guys, now talking about, first of all, let me go into the settings, and this is the, what do you say, overview of settings UI. And you can see that this is, from here you get that account information above here, and here is the about the systems option is there. This is not an OTA supported ROM. If you can see that about the phone has been given there. In it you can see that the Android version over mentioned over there, and we get this Android 13 Easter egg because it is based on Android 13 QRP1 change logs. Now this is the Flexo version of 2.2, and here's the maintainer is Team Flexo. We got January 5th 2023 security update with the kernel version of Pixel Experience. Here Pixel Experience kernel is used, so you can get a best performance, but if you use to flash the West Coast kernel, then it will provide much more better performance. The Linux status is enforcing. Now talking about the, what do you say, customizations and smoothness part. So first of all, you can see that this ROM is on an average a very smooth ROM, not very much, but on an average it is a smooth custom ROM. You can see that the opening, closing, even that lag is not there. But if you use what do you say, West Coast super fast kernel, you will not going to face this type of, if any type of jitters and lag so far. And now talking about what the customization we are getting. So here is the Flex Hub is given there. You can do check that out, Flex Hubs, and you can customize all over this. And this not new customizations is available. Here is a sort of no bugs that I have encountered so far, and you can try out these settings. Were not a new custom ROM settings, so you can do try out above here. And now from the quick settings, you can do check out that app inactivity, and volume icon is quick settings is also been present over there. Now let's move to forward to asking many people that network and internet, what we are getting so far. We haven't faced any of the issues while using this device with this custom ROM, and it is my favorite device because it's like the K20 Pro for on that budget, and it is like K20 Pro for this budget smartphone. This is my first smartphone, so it is a king of that its series device performance, and we haven't faced so far. And here you get that adaptive connectivity options also, sorry that, and you can see that adaptive connectivity does work, so not a bug so far. In the applications, you get the default tabs with the Pixel launcher. Not a much new customizations is available. For the battery usage, I can give approximately 3.5 out of 5 to the battery. Not pretty much good, but yeah, from here you can enable 24-hour usage. From here you can see that, as you can see that. And the notification, you can enable notification history and all the things. In the display section, all the settings is working. You also getting, what do you say, always show time and info, and if I just turn off the display, and it is working. So yeah, always show time and info, but my battery usage does not consist of any always on display so far. Now there is not a single bug that I have faced so far. In the security, we are getting face and fingerprint both unlock support, so you can must try out these face and fingerprint support. And the system options, you are not getting so much what do you say, option in the language and input. You get the app languages. In the app languages, not much getting, what do you say, many app languages support. So I think in the next few coming update it will get the support, as we can see so far. There's a reset option, and the rules option is there. Not a thermal profiles is given in this custom ROM. Now I have much talked about the overall, what do you say, UI settings UI. Now let's dive into and test, is there any benchmark performs good or not. So first of all, I took the 3D Mark application, which is pretty known deserving for the GPU scores, and this is the wildlife stress test, which is on an average best according to me. And this is a slingshot. Over here I'm not happy with the slingshot what is extreme test. Now this is the speed test application. I do have run that speed test in this device. So now this is the speed test that I have run so far in this device, and I have took some screenshots of that, so I will help you to see that. I have 30 megabits of Wi-Fi connection, and you can see that it gives me pretty good download and upload scores. You can see that. And those who are asking me about the unlimited Google Photo spoofing, yeah, we are getting Google Photo spoofing over there. Now talking about all the things, this is the CPU throttling test. On an average it is good. It is being run for 20 threads for 15 minutes, and this is 77% score. Not much best scores I can say, but yeah, pretty average scores that we are expecting this from. What I expected from this is getting so far. Not talked about much more, and many people ask me about the device certification of this custom ROM. Are we getting so far? Yeah, the device is being certified over there, so you can use the banking apps without any issues, what I can say so far. And talking about everything, I also checked for the Netflix HDR capabilities, and from there you can check that out, that do we getting the, what do you say, Netflix HDR capabilities or not. And I think so far they have must provided, yeah, no, they haven't provided any HDR capabilities so far, and only the L1 certification is there. Now this is all for that. And what I can say, that the charging is fine, the 33-watt charging is supported, but I can recommend that this ROM needs some improvements in terms of performance, little bit, not too much, but yeah, little bit polishness has to be given to this custom ROM so far. Although it is pretty good, you can must try out in this. The banking apps works and everything is working fine. You can see that everything is working fine. Even that, what do you say, theme icon option is there. You can enable themed icon, and from here you can select the theme palette over so far. And from here, what you say, I selected yellow, and this is would be working so far. So you can use this, and this is the best custom ROM you can try out at, if you don't have much sort of hardcore gamer, or what do you say. So if you really do satisfied with this video, you can do one thing, you can subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon so far, and also give a thumbs up to the video. So till then, bye bye.